Welcome to Greenlight Predictions 2018. We're going to give some predictions about how we think the digital landscape is going to change in next year. So I'd like to first ask Matt the question. Matt, what do you think?
Okay, so my prediction for affiliates for 2018 is that affiliate networks will need to evolve their business propositions so that technology sits at the forefront, and that's the differentiator. There's a lot of players in the space now, SaaS solutions, agencies that have got their own tech stack. So affiliate networks need to stop just talking about how great they are at affiliate marketing and start thinking about how they provision for good technology.
Thanks, Matt. Hannah, I think you've got a few predictions for next year.
The team's been reflecting on what's already happened in 2017 and thinking about what's about to happen in 2018. And I guess putting paid search and programmatic together, the two key areas that we believe we're going to see a lot of interest in is in artificial intelligence and machine learning. The second one, from a social point of view, we believe that social as a channel is now starting to challenge brands. And what we mean by that is that brands themselves need to become exceptional storytellers. And the last one, moving away from media over to data, GDPR. It's something we've been discussing for quite some time now. No one really knows the impact it's going to make. But for us, we really are quite excited because we believe it's going to be the thing that cleans up the industry. Thanks,
Hannah. Matt, what are your thoughts?
So in 2018, I think we'll be working with more kind of fluid insights rather than big, rigid ideas. In the good old days, there was this thing called a big idea, and it used to work across all media, TV, outdoor, print, etc. And campaigns used to be hinged off of it. But things are a lot more complicated now, and the way we take in content is this weird kind of mix of active and passive on TV and devices. And you know, people are sitting there watching TV while they're flicking through their social feeds. So TV ads don't play well on the internet. No one really wants to look at them on YouTube or Facebook, and they definitely don't want to tweet about them. So I think what we need to do is let the big idea go and get back to working with big insights, because big ideas don't shoehorn into all of this media that we use nowadays. And if we go back to big insights, then our creative can work in the ways it needs to work according to whichever place it's working in, and really communicate with people in a much more flexible and better way, frankly.
Thanks, Matt. And what about you, Adam?
The majority of searches happen on mobile. Users are getting more and more impatient, and this means that featured snippets and knowledge graph results will become more and more important next year. Brands are going to demand the expertise to be able to identify and claim these results. Featured snippets in particular pose a unique challenge because it means that you have to optimize enough and give enough content to Google that you get the result in the first place, but still provide an incentive and a reason for someone to click through. So this is a really interesting and unique blend of ad copywriting on the one hand and kind of traditional SEO copywriting on the other hand to do both things.
Thanks, everyone. I suppose it's my turn now to give my thoughts. I think from a commerce perspective, as far as 2018 goes, the future is going to be about customer experience. We kind of know it's important already, but retailers are going to realize now that they're not just selling products, but they're selling an experience. And that's going to be the differentiator between how they go up against Amazon and some of the other big retailers. I think we're going to see advances in facial recognition and other technologies that curate a personal experience to those customers and gives them an advantage in how they offer their products.